Welcome guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a beautiful cross granny square. The cross and the border can be made in different colors. For this tutorial you will need a crochet hook 4 millimeters, and I'm using medium weight yarn. Usually I'm using for all my granny squares yarn inspirations Bernard Premium. It is medium weight yarn number 4. If you are ready, and you need 2 colors or 3 if you want to make a border in different color. And we start with magic ring and a slip knot. In this tutorial I want to show you how to make a chainless foundation double crochet. I find this way better than simple chain 3, but you may start with chain 3. Pull up a loop from your magic ring and bring it to the height of a double crochet. Now rotate your hook a bit and yarn over, placing that loop onto your hook. Hold the loop always with your index finger. Now insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, draw up a loop and finish as double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, and for the last time yarn over, pull through 2, and that's what we have. So this is chainless foundation double crochet. After that, make one more double crochet into the center. Now chain 2 and make 3 double crochet into the center. As I said, you may start with simple chain 3 and count that chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Now again chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet. Now chain 2, and we need 1 more double crochet. So because we have 2 here, so we are going to make 1 more. And join with slip stitch into the top of starting double crochet. Here it is. Great. Again we are going to repeat, or you make chain 3 here, or you again pull up a loop, rotate the hook, make a yarn over, and please hold the loop with your index finger. Insert the hook into the same stitch as join, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, or substitute it with chain 3. Then make 1 more double crochet into the next stitch. And because we are going to change the color, we do not finish last double crochet. When we have last 2 loops on the hook, we join and finish this double crochet with new color. In my case it is white color. You continue holding the unused color along the edge as you crochet over it. So do not cut the yarn purple, and work into the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet into the chain 2 space, 1 and the second one. And because we are going to change the color, we do not finish the last double crochet. Grab the purple color and finish the last double crochet using already purple color. Keep holding the unused color along the edge and work 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. Again, switch to white color, finish the last double crochet, and work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in next corner. Chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Do not finish last double crochet. When you have 2 loops, grab new color and pull through 2 loops. Again, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. Do not finish third double crochet. Grab the white color and pull through 2. Again, corner. So we repeat 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Change the color. Again, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches. Change the color. Corner. 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet. Do not finish the second one. Change the color, and here we started with chainless double crochet, and we need 1 more double crochet and join with slip stitch. Okay, so the cross is ready. Now the next round we're going to work in white color. Grab the white color and make chain 1 and pull purple here. Pull up a loop and make again chainless foundation double crochet. So here's the last stitch with slip stitch and make double crochet. Continue working 1 double crochet in each stitch. Three and 1 more, 4. Then corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in next stitch across, so in total 7 double crochet. Please go on working again corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in each stitch. Let's join. Now grab the purple color. We are going to make border, or you can leave it as it is. Chain 1. Here you will have this one float. Now make 1 single crochet into the same stitch as join. And continue making single crochet in each stitch. When you reach corner, here we will make 2 single crochet, then chain 1, not chain 2, and 2 more single crochet. It's up to you, you can make chain 1, chain 2. Then continue working 1 single crochet and pay attention, here is the first one in each stitch till the next corner. Again, corner, 2 single crochet, chain 1 and 2 single crochet, and again make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here is the first one, it is usually hiding. That's it. Please go on, finish. Again, corner, 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet, and at the end you will get this beautiful cross granny square. Thank you so much for watching. Check the written instruction on my blog.